Hello! Welcome to the Affiliate Marketing Masterclass. My name is 𝐒𝐞𝐭𝐮𝐩, and I want to say that it's a huge pleasure coming your way with this training. There's a lot you will be learning from this training. One of them is how to start earning affiliate commissions consistently online. The strategies you will be learning from this training can be applied in any affiliate program, be it JVZoo, Warrior Plus, ClickBank, Commission Junction. Trust me, this is going to be insightful because I'll be spelling out unconventional marketing tips that will help you crush any affiliate network you sign up with. Now, this is what I want you to do. Before you proceed, I want you to know that affiliate marketing is not one of those jokes in the form of a business that people just sit and expect to bring cash. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, my friend. Affiliate marketing is a business that requires you to invest at least 10% of your time in implementing what you learn to make it work. This is how you're going to be successful after getting this course. You must commit yourself to learn and practice what you learn too. Now that I've said this, this is what I want you to do. Get a piece of paper and a pen to take notes with while we proceed through this course. So, if you're ready for us to proceed with the training, then come on, let's dive into it. Thank you.